Hello Divas, thank you for staying tuned. Welcome back to our channel. Kindly subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. So this is the actual foot that came with the machine. I removed it. So this is the one we'll be using, which is called Emma foot. Emma foot is used to finish the edge of a garment, not just the edge of a garment, also we use it to finish the edges of ruffles, apply trimmings on our garments, and so many other things. Ensure you overlock the edge of your garment so it will be much easier for you to run. The stitches is very simple. It's also accurate. It helps you to give a definite measurement where you want your stitches, and also as you stitch, it secures the seam. It secures the seam. It secures the fabric as well. So this is how you finish the edge of your rough garment after you must have overlock it. So many things we can use it for. You can also use it to apply lace trimmings and every other trimmings. Reason being that the stitches is about 1/8. It doesn't require much. You can see it doesn't require much, unlike the other type of foot. It helps you to manage the edge of your seam very well. Now let's apply lace trimmings. It's very simple. All you need to do is for this outfit, I didn't overlock the edge because I actually want to use it for sample for you to see what it looks like. Please ensure you overlock the edge and before you apply your lace. So this is how you apply your lace. You can see I secured the lace with dressmaker pin in order for me to be able to stitch accurately or securely. So it's very simple. You apply the foot helps you stitch about 1/8 of it. You can see it's very simple and nice. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Kindly subscribe if you haven't, and if you have, I love you. Thank you. So I'm going to be using the same foot to finish up a rough edge. Why I'm doing this is because there are some of us who doesn't have the overlock around us. You can as well use it to finish the edge of a garment if your overlock is not around, bad, or far away from you. So it is very simple. Just fold in like quarter and fix it under the foot and stitch. It is very simple. I love you guys. I love you. Stay tuned for updates on our channels, and don't forget to share with friends and family. Thank you. You can see the edge is very simple, neat and nice. Thank you. I love you.